I bought a wrecked GSXR 1000R and I'm going to rebuild it all by myself. The idea is once it's done, Mike can use it to race me at the track, and he can get used to racing again before he pulls out the turbo bikes, and I can get used to beating him. And here's the catch. Mike doesn't know the bike is for him. So it's missing a lot of pieces. There's a lot of broken pieces. It doesn't have any fairings. And I've never done this before by myself. So I've watched Mike rebuild a number of bikes, but it's totally different when you're doing it by yourself. So enjoy watching me tackle this new project. Hey, can you come here?
Huh?
What do you think of this color? We're not using it, so.
Yeah, that's good and resourceful. It's real nice. I'm gonna get the other piece to check it with.
Okay.
You got two matte colors.
Right, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So yeah, that's masculine, and somebody will like that. I like it. Somebody will like that.
A girl would like that.
Yeah, it pops without being
No pink.
and fuchsia, but
It's
yeah.
kind of like, well, you know, it's kind of goldish color, like honey.
Yeah, it's a copper. Yeah, it's copper. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah, I like it. That's
Okay.
Good job. Nice. Yeah, you're resourceful. There's some shit we had left over.
That's right. That's what I do. Once I got the color combo established, I started with wrapping the wheels, which is what I did in blue with my bike.
Anywhere you happen to be, I am not far, I'm who you happen to see. I know I'm the best thing happen to you. John McCain got purple hearts, we got two. If I jaded you, I know you will for me.
Then I could reinstall the wheels, starting with the front, which took me a while. Don't laugh.
For me, will kill for me. Tell me put my card down and pay the bill for me. Real deal for me. Hold up. Accepted everything and still I act like a bastard. Then I'm dead wrong, like coming out of the casket. Know you headstrong the way you believe in me. I know you feel me holding your hand spiritually. Come close, we gotta give one toast to God, one oath, a nod. No growth with pride, and if I am a reflection of you, then I must be fly.
Then the swing arm. I had the stock swing arm, but that wouldn't work for the drag racing we will be doing. So I wrapped the swing arm that used to be on my bike, the one I did the really big wheelie on, and installed it.
Life is short, live it up. Can't spend all of your time in a rut. Memories clouding your mind, now you stuck. Gotta stay present and thrive, that's a must. Learn to forgive, it's for us. You only get what you give, that's a plus. If freedom is what you give, not cuffs, let the other person choose. You promise you'll be enough. Love is shown, not described. I ain't saying everybody was wrong, but someone lied, and our love is strong, and that's how we survived. Following purple hearts, not following the blind. So when you look at your heart, just make sure you see mine. I'm with you now.
Because we still have a lot of the original parts from my bike, we happen to have the stock header that will work for this bike. So I just had to dig it out of the backyard and put it on.
Don't need a day of time. And if love is what you got, then we sublime. And if I am a reflection of you.
The bike only had one front brake caliper, So I looked on eBay to see if I could find another one or a pair, and they're so expensive. So Mike and I visited our friends at BBV and found a pair of Brembos on an old 600 for much cheaper. They don't really match, but I was going for functionality, not matchy-matchy. It was also missing the left rear sets and the right heel guard. So I found those on eBay and installed them when they came in too. The bike was also missing a tail light, and I could not find one on eBay. So I found one in one of the Facebook groups and put that in. The bike also came with a fender eliminator kit. This is the same one that I have on my bike, but it had been dismantled from when the bike had been crashed. So I installed it like mine, which meant I had to drill holes in the under tray for the plate. Now I needed a headlight, because no, it didn't have one of those either. And did you know the stock headlight for a GSXR 1000R is almost $1,000? Brand new? Eesh. So again, I searched the Facebook groups and found one for a regular GSXR, but I had to wire the plug-in so it would connect to the wire harness. The stock front fender I used to have on my bike before the Moto Composites carbon was cracked from the hard landing after my wheelie. Sorry. So I had to repair it before putting it on this bike. I plastic welded the crack first and then did some carbon fiberglass to reinforce it.
Anywhere you happen to be, I am not far, I'm who you happen to see. I know I'm the best thing happen to you. John McCain got purple hearts, we got two. If I jaded you, I know you will for me. Rob steal for me, will kill for me. Tell me put my card down and pay the bill for me. Real deal for me. Hold up. Accepted everything and still I act like a bastard. Then I'm dead wrong like...
The Swingarm, which Mike built for me a long time ago, has an integrated air tank, which I wanted to use for the quick shifter to make it an air shifter. So I had to install air hoses and check valves and route all of that to make it work.
Night at the casket, know you headstrong the way you believe in me. I know you feel me holding your hand spiritually. Come close, we gotta give one toast to God, one oath, a nod, no growth with pride. And if I am a reflection of you, then I must be fly. Life is short, live it up. Can't spend all of your time in a rut. Memories clouding your mind.
In this video, I'll end it with this little tidbit. The primary and secondary connectors for the ECU on the wire harness were very damaged. So much so that the ECU I also ordered off of eBay, that was not cheap, could not be connected. So I ordered new connector housings for both, primary and secondary, so I could repin them. A little surgery, one at a time.
Now you stuck, gotta stay present and thrive, that's a must. Learn to forgive, it's for us. You only get what you give, that's a plus. If freedom is what
There's a whole lot more coming up in the next video.
you give, not cuffs, let the other person choose. You promise you'll be enough. Love is shown, not described. I ain't saying everybody was wrong, but someone lied, and our love is strong, and that's how we survive.